Now, this one is different because here I am giving you an instruction, and this was created by our Rusty Russ, again, used by permission. He happens to live in Sarasota, although I've never met him. But if I were to tell you, your instruction here is to find the hidden tiger. I give you that instruction to find the hidden tiger. For those of you who have not yet seen the hidden tiger, what are you looking for? What do those words mean to you? Notice the distinction here between the words, which are to some extent fingers pointing at a focus or an experience. They're like arrows or guideposts saying, look there. And they're very useful and they're very helpful, but they aren't necessarily truth. The challenge in each and every moment is to connect the words that either you are speaking or somebody else is speaking to the underlying experience or reference or object, whatever word you want to use. And then you're connecting the words and what your mind is doing with what you're experiencing, with the actual experience. And then you can choose how to position yourself and where to focus so that everything fits together just like a 10,000 piece picture puzzle. When you get all the pieces in place, you know what you have. And all the pieces fit. You still don't know what's outside the edges of that puzzle, but you know that you've got a complete puzzle and everything is integrated and fits together.